Hello guys, I'm Hywel. Today I'm talking about my collection today. So these are all the Mighty Beanz we have so far. Today, I'm going to put them in the right order. I got Hairy Beans, Screen Beans, Hairy Beans, Screen Beans, Spy Guys Beans, Restaurant Beans, Pet Beans, Medieval Beans, Frozen Beans, like the Killer Whale 2, 34, 33, 34, 35. We have also my first zombie. See, this one is number 91. Hungry Monster from the Zombies. And he is coming. Ooh. And then we also got we have these pop-up Mile tire balloons. This is from the Two-Faced Beans category. And this one is from the Freezing Beans category. And this one is from the Medieval Beans. Very cool. They're all new. These are new. And I also got Mighty Beanz from Series 2. And bye, and